to stop snoring and sleep apnea with one simple juice. Snoring is a period of loud breathing, snorting or grunting sounds made when one sleeps. If we have a sleeping partner, odds are that snoring frequently disrupts their ability to sleep, which in turn affects things that they need or want to do. We are guessing they probably made you aware of it by now. As defined by the National Heart, Lung and Blood Institute, sleep apnea is a common disorder, which you have one or more pauses in breathing or shallow breaths while you sleep. Such disruptions in breathing may last anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, and may occur 30 times or more in an hour. Unsurprisingly, this condition results in a poor quality of sleep, and leads to increased episodes of daytime sleepiness. Currently, there are all sorts of medications and contraptions that are designed to relieve snoring. The same can be said for sleep apnea. However, it is always best to utilize natural solutions, as they almost always are better received by the body. This one juice helps stop snoring and sleep apnea. Juicing has become a common method for people to achieve various health outcomes, from supplementing vitamins and nutrients to counteracting diagnosed health conditions. The ingredients used in juicing are often raw and unmodified, unadulterated, which accomplishes two things. 1. It's easier to digest. And, 2. It allows for maximum nutritional benefits. Processed foods often undergo mechanisms that subtract from the food's nutritional value. Generally, such juices are predominantly made of raw fruits and vegetables. With that said, a simple juice concoction exists that reduces the effects of snoring and sleep apnea. The premise behind this mixture is to eliminate excess mucus, which is a primary factor in symptoms of snoring and sleep apnea. The ingredients and the preparation are very simple, although it is recommended that the products included in the mix are of the organic, raw variety for the reasons mentioned in the previous paragraph. It is also helpful to have a juicing machine, as these devices will blend the mixture more thoroughly. Ingredients: 2 apples, 2 carrots, 1/4 of a lemon, 1-inch stick of ginger. Simply use a juicing machine, such as a NutriBullet, to combine and thoroughly blend the ingredients. Sans a juicing machine, a traditional blending machine will suffice. In addition to this and other healthy diet options, certain lifestyle changes can relieve the symptoms of both snoring and sleep apnea. In terms of diet, it is important to minimize or, preferably, eliminate alcohol, because of its suppressive effect on the central nervous system. For those that smoke, quitting this habit will likely ease an assortment of symptoms. The reason is obvious: smoking impairs the lungs and blood vessels, which restricts airflow produced by the lungs. The adverse health effects of smoking are both short and long-term in nature. In addition, quitting smoking results in near immediate improvement in the ability to breathe. Some other pieces of advice: avoid eating too much chocolate. Eat fried food in small amounts, or eliminate it completely. Eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily. Eliminate or limit the amount of processed foods. Eliminate or limit the amount of starched, sugar-laden foods. Establish a set sleeping routine. Go to bed at and wake up at the same time every day. Lifestyle changes are necessary for minimizing the symptoms of snoring and sleep apnea. Be cognizant of what is put into your body, and remain steadfast in your sleeping routines. Eat adequate amounts of raw fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. Seek support if you desire to stop smoking or drinking alcohol. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.